Alrighty, y'all, we got the 2000 Ram 1500 with the V6, and it needs a transmission. The transmission was slipping on this one, and we got a used transmission here with the 60-day warranty. This one particularly is called a 42RE, really hard to find. It doesn't fit the V8s. It's supposed to be compatible with the 44RE, but that doesn't matter right now. What you need for the 3.9 liter engine Dodge Ram with the V6, also comes in Dakota, is the 42RE. By yourself, I'm gonna do it by myself. Now, what I like to do is put a flywheel for a larger base. This is gonna be a 10mm hex, and I'm gonna take the top off of this, just like that. Okay. Put my flywheel on here. If you don't have a flywheel, you should grab you one. I had some left over. Now everyone doesn't have a flywheel sitting around their house if they're not a mechanic. They are a transmission jack now. Okay, you know what you could do is use this, and you can put a ratchet strap on one side over the transmission. Ratchet strap this side. That transmission ain't gonna go nowhere. All right, lifting my leg up and set this just like that. You see, now I got a nice sturdy base for my transmission. We're gonna lift it up just like that. You see, I can use my jack to move her in, move her out, just like that. So we're gonna get her underneath a little bit. All right, you guys, start to finish, I got this thing pretty squared off. This is why my wife loves me so much, because I'm such a man. Get back, some fluid. The back end look of how it's looking right now. This transmission dipstick is in my way, and we are effing lined up, dog. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Did I just not make that look super effing easy? Here's my torque converter. Oh. Man, this thing's heavy. Oh man, I don't think I can sneak it through there. I'm gonna have to scoot it back more. Maybe I can sneak it through there. I don't think so. Alright. Get the torque converter in there. Let's see. And then what you're going to do is rotate your flywheel, because you need the hole in there to match up with the hole coming off of the back of your motor. And then you're going to put one of your bell housing bolts in there. And this shit. What this is going to do is going to make it get closer. Let me get this thing closer like this. Get this side on. All you're going to do from this point now is put the rest of the bell housing bolts on. You're going to put your torque converter bolts back in there. All your transmission cooler lines. Oil filter. Start her up, and this bad boy should be good after you also put that drive shaft back on. Drive shaft bolts. Ask your customers if they want to change up that transmission pan gasket and tail seal before you do all this work, so it's not hard after you already have it on.
Do this for real. Yeah, I already know what's to deal. Walking by faith, I don't care how I feel. I feast on the scriptures, man, I need a meal. I don't care if the world think that I'm crazy. Man, I work at the spirit, no way that I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm cut by the blood, so you know that I'm brazy. Stay with the ball like my name was Tom Brady. I was drunk and I'm stupid, the Lord still saved me. Shine like the light, no the devil gon' hate me. I'm awake in the spirit, ain't no way the world play me. Thankful for whatever the Father gave me.